A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Bruce Hagan, a black male, 16 years old, 6 feet 2 inches tall, 180 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen in the area of the 1000 block of Lincoln Terrace in Winter Garden, Florida. He was last seen wearing a gray shirt. Bruce was abducted by a light-skinned black male with dreadlocks, driving a dark gray Infiniti G37. Subjects of this alert may be armed and dangerous. If located, do not approach. Contact law enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Winter Garden Police Department at 407-877-5482 or 911.
Hope that kid gets found.